On April 12, 2024, British Defense Minister Grant Chaps stirred a minor sensation by suggesting that the UK might provide Ukraine with a prototype of its cutting-edge combat laser. Chaps notably stated that waiting for the weapon's complete readiness might not be necessary, diverging from previous indications that Britain had no plans to arm Ukraine. With the British Army slated to receive the combat laser by 2027, this potential move marks a significant shift in policy. This announcement has sparked widespread discussion, particularly within Russian media circles. Many voices have emerged claiming that the effectiveness of laser weaponry remains dubious, arguing that such technology could easily become a target for Russian missile systems. Furthermore, there are allegations that Western powers view Ukraine as nothing more than a testing ground for their military innovations. Amidst these debates, questions about the strategic implications and potential consequences of such a decision loom large on the international stage. Witness the dawn of a new era in warfare as the UK contemplates supplying Ukraine with its revolutionary combat laser technology. Delve into the intricacies of this cutting-edge weaponry and explore the implications it holds for global security. Join us as we unravel the mysteries surrounding this bold move and its potential impact on the balance of power in the region. Dragonfire laser system. Grant Chaps, a notable figure in defense circles, emphasized the urgency of accelerating production of the Dragonfire laser system. He highlighted the potential ramifications of recent conflicts, particularly in the Red Sea and Europe, underscoring the necessity of possessing a weapon capable of countering drone threats. This decision reflects a strategic response to emerging security challenges faced by Britain. The incident involving the British destroyer HMS Diamond in the Red Sea on January 27th heightened concerns regarding drone attacks. Despite the successful interception of the hostile drone by the Sea Viper SAM system, the attack underscored the vulnerability of naval assets to modern asymmetric threats. Grant Chaps' decision to prioritize Dragonfire production was influenced by such real-world scenarios. On January 19, 2024, the UK Ministry of Defence conducted new tests of Dragonfire laser weapons against aerial targets at the Hebrides Range in Scotland. This marked a significant milestone in the development of directed energy technology aimed at enhancing the capabilities of the country's armed forces. The UK Ministry of Defence's decision to award a £30 million contract for the development of a prototype laser weapon underscores the strategic imperative to explore the potential advantages of directed energy technology. The objective is to ascertain whether laser weapons can confer a decisive advantage to the UK armed forces in future conflicts. The proposed deployment of Dragonfire laser weapons to Ukraine aligns with the broader strategic objective of testing and evaluating the efficacy of such systems in real-world scenarios. While Russia propagates skepticism regarding this initiative, it presents an opportunity for British specialists to validate the capabilities of Dragonfire in a contested operational environment. The tests conducted at the Scottish test site demonstrated the remarkable accuracy of the Dragonfire laser system, equating to hitting a £1 coin from a kilometer away. This level of precision, coupled with the low cost per shot, underscores the cost-effectiveness of laser weapons compared to traditional anti-aircraft missiles. Contrary to Russian propaganda, which asserts a limited range for Dragonfire, media reports and official statements from the British Ministry of Defence clarify its capabilities. The line-of-sight nature of the weapon enables it to engage targets beyond the purported 1-kilometer range, with an effective reach of up to 5 kilometers. Dragonfire boasts a power output of 55 kilowatts, distributed across 37 separate channels. While inferior to some American counterparts in terms of power, it remains sufficiently potent to neutralize drone and missile threats by disabling optics and penetrating their hulls. This underscores the weapon's operational utility in modern warfare scenarios. Laser weapon development. Laser weapons face significant challenges due to their heavy reliance on weather conditions, particularly fog and rain, which diminish their effectiveness. However, the current favorable weather conditions in Ukraine, characterized by the onset of spring followed by summer and the absence of a rainy season, present a considerable opportunity for testing laser weapons. A crucial obstacle in using laser weapons is the need to maintain focus on moving targets for several seconds until the laser beam achieves its intended effect. The power of the laser beam plays a vital role in this process, with higher power enabling quicker target destruction. Russian experts highlight the time constraints involved, especially with faster-moving threats like cruise missiles. There is ambiguity regarding the range of Dragonfire, complicating assessments of its operational capabilities. Contrary to assumptions, the mention of a 1-kilometer range refers to a different characteristic of the weapon, namely, its accuracy. The British Ministry of Defence's publication of an image depicting a mortar mine with a burn-through hole suggests promising capabilities, potentially indicating a range beyond 1 kilometer. The velocity of a mortar mine, traveling at approximately 300 mph and covering a kilometer in less than 4 seconds, raises questions about Dragonfire's effectiveness. However, if Dragonfire's range exceeds a kilometer and its laser beam power is sufficient, it could potentially penetrate thick materials such as the hull of a mortar mine within a shorter time frame, enhancing its operational utility. While Dragonfire may struggle to destroy heavily insulated missiles like Iskander or Dagger, which possess powerful heat insulation coatings, it demonstrates capabilities to effectively counter drones and most cruise missiles. This underscores Dragonfire's significance in mitigating modern asymmetric threats in warfare scenarios. Technical challenges, including weather dependency and target tracking, necessitate thorough testing and evaluation of laser weapons in varied combat scenarios. The successful deployment of Dragonfire against drones and cruise missiles could revolutionize military capabilities, offering a cost-effective and precise solution to evolving security challenges. The development and deployment of laser weapons signify a paradigm shift in military technology, with potential strategic implications for national defense. Grant Chaps' decision to prioritize Dragonfire production reflects a proactive approach to addressing emerging threats and bolstering defense capabilities. The international response to laser weapon development underscores the significance of technological advancements in shaping global security dynamics. Challenges and considerations. Russian propaganda suggests that Dragonfire will be a prime target for Russian missiles. While this assertion may hold truth, the question remains whether these missiles can effectively destroy Dragonfire, given the complexities of modern laser weapons technology. Laser weapons today encompass significant dimensions, including the laser apparatus, targeting and tracking mechanisms, radar systems, and diesel generators. Moreover, logistical considerations such as maintenance personnel and protection measures further contribute to the overall weight and size of these systems. To mitigate the risk of destruction near the front lines, Dragonfire is likely to be stationed on heavy-duty trucks like the M35 or M1079, weighing between 3 to 5 tons. Such positioning would facilitate the protection of strategic facilities deep inside Ukraine, such as power plants and bridges currently targeted by Russian forces. Dragonfire demonstrates the capability to counter various threats, including Shahed drones supplied by Iran to Russia, flying at altitudes of up to a kilometer at speeds of 200 to 300 kilometers per h. It can also effectively engage cruise missiles like the Caliber or X-101, often launched from bombers such as the T-95. The cost of destroying targets with Dragonfire is significantly lower compared to traditional missile-based systems, amounting to just a few dollars per target. This cost-effectiveness enhances the strategic advantage of laser weapons in modern warfare scenarios. Dragonfire to Ukraine. Successful tests of Dragonfire will not only accelerate the finalization of the weapon, but also significantly enhance its demand if proven effective in real combat conditions. This underscores the critical importance of validating its performance under realistic scenarios. London's readiness to deploy Dragonfire signifies its confidence in the system's effectiveness and its strategic intent to outpace global competitors in defense technology. This reflects a broader ambition to assert technological leadership in the defense market. Competing against major powers such as the US, Russia, China, Israel, and Turkey, Britain's decision to supply Dragonfire to Ukraine underscores the pragmatic nature of its actions. The country that demonstrates maximum effectiveness in real combat operations stands to gain significant strategic advantage. Britain's actions in supplying Dragonfire to Ukraine are driven by pragmatism, aiming to maintain its technological edge and strategic position in the global defense arena. This pragmatic approach aligns with broader geopolitical dynamics and competition among major powers. Ukraine's interest in acquiring Dragonfire extends beyond enhancing its defense capabilities. By strengthening its air defense, Ukraine asserts its sovereignty and security in the face of external threats, while also potentially leveraging British support to obtain other modern weaponry. Britain's history of supporting Ukraine, such as providing modern tanks and Storm Shadow cruise missiles, has bolstered Ukraine's defense capabilities. This support has also exerted diplomatic pressure on other Western countries to contribute advanced weaponry, reinforcing Ukraine's defense posture. The supply of Dragonfire to Ukraine carries significant geopolitical implications, signaling Western solidarity and commitment to collective defense against aggression. Moreover, it highlights the stakes for the entire West in ensuring Ukraine's security and sovereignty.